The first term is the deflation. What do you mean by deflation? Deflation means opposite of inflation. Opposite of inflation means in inflation there is a price rise. In deflation the price will decrease. That is the negative inflation. Okay, negative inflation. It's decrease in the general price level of goods and service. Now you will say that, sir, this condition is very good because there is a decrease in price level. No. Okay, but from economic point of view, this condition is not good. Why? Because when price will fall, then what will happen? Consumer delay the purchasing, waiting even for lower price. Deflation can discourage spending also. In fact, deflation will discourage spending. Spending means spending by the industrialist. Manufacturer will not spend money. Manufacturer will not spend money to increase their productivity. To increase their productivity, or we can say to increase their production also. Because there is a price decrease of the goods and services that they are producing right now. So they will not produce. When they will not produce, which means economy will not grow. Simple. So deflation can lead to a phenomena of slowdown, or even we can say that because of deflation, in future we can witness slowdown or recession also, because the general decrease in price is not good. General decrease in price of goods and services. That will lead to investor, or we can say industrialist, or we can say manufacturer. They will not spending money to increase their production.